In this video, we showcase a Detroit Speed and Engineering built 675 horsepower Restomod 1973 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am. 427 cubic inch engine, developed and built by Mast Motorsports, features Cali's forged crankshaft and H-beam connecting rods with diamond pistons. Exhaust exits through a set of 2-inch diameter long tube headers from Detroit Speed, then travels through a 3-inch stainless steel X-pipe and dual Borla mufflers to get the perfect muscle car exhaust tone. DSE seats and steering wheel join forces with the Alpine head unit, JL audio speaker sets and subwoofers, and vintage air climate control system. Detroit Speed's Quadrelink 4-link design, complete with panhard bar and adjustable JRE coilover shocks. The Trans Am's performance was substantially improved over its original capabilities. 6-piston Bear 6S brakes with drilled and slotted rotors provide plenty of braking capability at all 4 corners. Finished in Brewster Green, an extremely rare example of the 1973 model year. Brewster Green was a 1-year color, and there were only 146 Brewster Green Trans Ams manufactured in 1973, with very few of which remain 43 years later. Detroit Speed's custom fender braces utilize billet mounts on the radiator side and adjustable clevis mounts at each bar end. These are designed to triangulate the radiator core support to the fenders. Detroit Speed's complete hydroformed subframe system was set into place. Fixie 18 by 10.5 inch profile 10 wheels and 295/35/18 Nitto Invo tires complete the monstrous rolling stock. Jury coilover shocks and a new power rack and pinion steering system. Engine is fed by one of Detroit Speed's 1,000 horsepower fuel systems and controlled by Mast's electronic fuel injection system to create a rock-solid, reliable, naturally aspirated LS engine. This kit includes brand new hydroformed frame rails, new crossmember, tubular upper and lower control arms. Gauges look original, but they've been converted to electronic operation to work with the LS engine. Every millimeter of the legendary Screaming Eagle and Trans Am lettering has been replicated by hand with a painstaking airbrush process by the DSE team. Installing a set of Fixie Profil 10 billet 19 by 12.5 inch wheels wearing 345/30/19 Nitto Invo tires into the deep wheel tubs. Round headlight dual inlet grille design harkens back to when automotive designers weren't slaves to the wind tunnel and provides this Trans Am with a countenance like no other. With the compression ratio and Mast Motorsports spec hydraulic roller camshaft, and you've got an engine that produces an engine dyno-proven 675 horsepower at 6,800 RPM, with 561 pound-foot of torque at 5,200 RPM. The hood has been modified to provide much tighter panel gaps between the hood scoop and hood surface, in an effort to mimic the high-quality engineering of current-day manufacturing techniques. Although the gauges appear to be original equipment 1973 vintage, the internals have been updated to perform flawlessly with the modern EFI system and electronic sensors. Drivetrain losses are minimized due to the efficient Tremec TR6060 transmission. The power is put to the ground through a Detroit Speed 9-inch rear-end housing equipped with a Detroit Speed limited slip differential and 373 1-ring and pinion. Billet theme continues into the pedals, designed to provide the driver with solid feedback. Like and subscribe to see more videos like this in the future.